Okay, attempt 2. Alright. And we're back in action.
Alright, ready?
The clock at 6 a.m. I feel so far from where I've been. I got my eggs, I got my pancakes too. I got my maple syrup, everything must move. I break the yolk to make a smiley face. I kinda like it in my brand new place. Like the spark up off the mirrors, I'll leave the keys in the door. I never put white towels on the floor anymore, 'cause dreams last so long, even after you're gone. I know you love me, and soon you will see you were meant for me, and I was meant for you. I called my mama, she was out for a walk, consoled a cup of coffee, but I didn't want to talk, so I picked up the cup, but it was more bad news. My heart's being broken, and people being used. Pull out my coat in the pouring rain. I saw a movie, it just wasn't the same, 'cause it was happy and how sad, and it made me miss you oh so bad, 'cause dreams last so long, even after you're gone. I know you love me, and soon you will see you were meant for me, and I was meant for you. I don't mind my business, I'm doing fine. Besides, what would I say if I ever was alive? Tell my story now, much to say. Hearts are broken every day. Brush my teeth, I put the cap back on. I know you hate it when I leave the light on. Oh, shit. Take a deep breath. The good luck come around. Put on my PJs and hop in a bed. I'm half alive, but I feel mostly dead. I try to tell myself it'll all be alright. I just shouldn't think anymore tonight, 'cause dreams last so long, even after you're gone. I know that you love me, and soon you will see you were meant for me, and I was meant for you. You were meant for me, and I was meant for you. I love that little ending part. It's like amazing. Rock. Yes. Hold on.